My students Grade 5, how are you? Today we'll solve المعاصر book monthly tests. Look at with me. October tests, page 34. Test number 1. Letter E. Which number in the following has 357 ones, 2000? Okay, we can write the number in digit here in the place value. 357 ones, write 7 in the ones, 2 in thousandth, and 3 in hundredth. 3 in hundredths and 2 in thousandths. So the result will be 7 and 32 hundredths. Thousandths. Choose what? Choose letter C. Again, 3 in hundredths and 2 in thousandths and 7 in the ones. Which letter B? The least common multiplication of 5 and 6, we can find the product. 5 times 6 equals 30. Letter C. Question C. 174 and 602 thousandths. It will be 174 plus what we can write 602 thousandths. Write this number in the space. Okay. Choose letter P. Question letter D. 7/10. Okay, 7/10. We can write 7/10 and 7/1000. We can find the difference between them. Put double zero here. 0 minus 7, we can't do it. Number 1, 6. 10 minus 1 will be 9, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 9 minus 0 equals 9. 6 minus 0, 6. Then the result will be 693,000. Letter E. All the following are equal except what? We have 0.3 equal 0.30 equal 0.300. So the difference here will be letter C. Choose letter C because we have 0.003. It's not equality. Next question number 2, complete. Letter A. If x plus 52 and 89 hundredths equal 62 and 90 hundredths, then the value of x equal. We can find the difference between the numbers. X equals 62 and 90 hundredths subtracted by 52 and 89 hundredths. 10 minus 9, we can't do it. Put 1 here. 10 minus 9 will be 1, and 8 minus 8 0. 2 minus 2 0. 6 minus 5 1. The result will be 10 and 100. Was letter A. Letter B. The smallest odd prime numbers, it will be 3. Smallest odd prime numbers. Letter C. 2 and 416 product by 10. We must move the point right hand side by 1 place. Then we can write 2, 4.1 and 6. Letter D. The value of the digit 5 in the number. 5 here lies in the hundredth. So we can write 0.05. Which letter E? We have 21 and 729 approximated to the nearest tenth. Tenth is here 7. 2 can't give 1. So the result will be 21 and 7. Because 2 less than 5. The number digit less than 5 can't give 1. Next question number 3. Find the result of each of the following. We have 17 and 3/10 plus 4 and 6/10 equal 60 plus 9, and 17 plus 4 equal 21. Number 2, we want to find the difference. 12 and 74 hundredths subtracted by 0.35 and 9. We can put 1, put 0 here. 0 minus 9, we can't do it. Put 1, it will be 10 minus 9 1, and 3 minus 5 we can do it. 13 minus 5 equal 8, and 6 minus 3 equal 3. 12 minus 0 equal 12. Questions number 2, we have 12 and 74 hundredths subtracted by 0.35 and 9. Equal parts, okay? 0 minus 9 we can't do it. Number 1, 10 minus 9 1, and 3 minus 5 we can't do it. 13 minus 5 equal 8, and 6 minus 3 equal 3. 12 minus 0 equal 12. Question letter B, Mazen had 35 Egyptian lira. He put a ball for 9 and 75 hundredths Egyptian lira and the book for 8 and 4 tenths Egyptian lira. How much money was left with him? We want to find the remainder. 35 subtracted by 8 and 4. He put together. Okay. He put two things here. So the total 35 subtract by some two numbers. He put first of all the price fall minus 75 hundredths and the price of book 8 and 4 hundredths. We must put 0 here and write 35 subtract by some of them. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 4 11, 1 and carry 1, 9 plus 9 equal 18. So you can go 1 will be 4, 10 minus 5 will be 5, and 9 minus 1 8, and 4 minus 8 we can't do it. Number 1, 14 minus 8 will be 6, and 2 minus 1 1. The result will be 16 and 85 Egyptian lira. Next question. Number 2, October is number 2. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. 72 and 43 hundredths divided by 10. We must move the point left hand side by one place. Okay, this is the result. Choose letter E. Letter B, the common factor for all numbers, it will be 1. Any number can be divided by 1. This is a common factor. Letter C, which shows the following is an expression. Expression, we can choose letter C. It's expression. We have inequality. Okay, and we have here Sarah saved 20 Egyptian lira per day. So you must choose letter C because the expression contains a lot of terms not used here equal to 13 and 15 hundredths plus 2.8 subtract by x we call it expression, not equation. Question letter D, we have 39 and 999. We want to approximate it to the nearest hundredth. Hundredth here, it will be 9. 9 give 1 will be 10. 0 and carry up 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 and carry up 1. 39 plus 1, it will be 40. This is the result. Approximated to the nearest hundredth will be 40. Next question, letter D. Letter E, 1.7 plus 0.2 and 1.3 and 3 plus 0.5 and 1. We can add two numbers here together to find the result. Okay, we can write 9.1 and here 3 plus 5, 3 plus 1 4, and 3 plus 5 8, and 1 plus 0 for 1. Then the result will be here 1.84. This is the Those question letter E. Next question number 2 complete. Letter E. We have 70 and 106 equals 70 plus 0.1, 0.00 and 6. Question is letter B. 5 hundredths plus 24 thousandths equals 8 thousandths. We can convert 5 hundredths here and 24 thousandths. We can add each together. First, put 0 and 4 plus 0 equals 4, 2 plus 5 7, 0 plus 0 equals 0. This is the result. So you can write the result here 74,000. So the result will be 74,000, right? This number is a place here, okay? 74,000. What about letter C? We have 458 and 2 tenths divided by 100. We must move the point left hand side by 2 places. 4.58 and 2. That was letter C. Letter D. We have 734 734 and 28 hundredths. You want to find the digits number here. Number 2 lies in the place what? In the tenth. Write this word in this place, tenths, and its value it will be 0.2. So we have the place value and value, okay? Lies in tenths. Which letter E? The number of whole prime factors of 2, 3, 5, we can write 2 product by 3 product by 5, or 30. Which one's number 3? The weight of Noah is 35 and 275 kilograms, 500 kilograms. And the weight of Hala 40 and 12,000 kilograms. What is the weight altogether? We can add it to weights by each other. 35 and 275,000 plus 42 and 12,000. We can write 2 plus 5, 7, and 1 plus 7 equal 8, 0 plus 2 equal 2, 2 plus 5 equals 7, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then it's the weight. Question letter B finds the least common factor and its multiplication about 12 and 10. First, we know 12 equal 2 by 2 by 3 and 10 equal 2 by 5. And then we can find the greatest common factor between them. It will be 2. And least common multiples between two numbers. It will be circles about all numbers and write 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 5 equals 60. So let's come up with properties number 3, letter E, choose the correct answer. Number 1, letter E. The greatest common factor of 3 and 7, it will be 1, because 3 and 7 can be divided by 1. It's the greatest common factor. Choose letter E. 3 and 7, the height number 3 and 7 can be divided by 8, it will be 1. Question number 2, letter B here. The smallest prime number is 2. Letter C. 724 and 3 tenths is divided by 100. We must move the point left hand side by 2 places. Going here to 7.24 and 3. Next example. Letter D, which is the following dot expression, will be letter C, because letter D is the equation equality between two expressions, and to use equality between them. So 3.6 minus 6 equal 1.54. We call it the equation, not expression. Choose letter C. We want to find not expression. Okay. And question letter E, comparing between two numbers, 5 and 65 hundredths, or 56 and 5 tenths. So 56 is letter Z. You must use this sign less than between two numbers. Choose letter C. Next question number 2 complete. Letter E, 3.9 plus 1.2 and 6. We can eat them. 6 plus 0 equals 6, and 2 plus 9, 11. 1 we can add 1, 2 plus 3, 5. The result will be 5 and 16 hundredths. Question letter B, we can find the difference between two numbers, 17.5 subtract by 8.36. We must put 0, and 0 minus 6 we can't do it. 10 minus 6 it will be 4, 4 minus 3 1, and 17 minus 8 it will be 9. Letter C, we have 21 and 316 thousandths, approximated to the nearest hundredth here. 6 can give 1, 2. Result will be 21 and 32 hundredths, because 6 can give 1 to the side. Letter D, the place value digits range the number 3 here lies in thousandth. Letter E. The first four multiples of 5, we can write 0, 5, 10, and 15. Okay. Question number 3. Write the greatest decimal less than 1, which consists of this number, then round it to the nearest. Okay, you want to write the greatest or smallest? The greatest decimal less than 1. The greatest decimal less than 1, we can write 0, and here 3. But he asked about less than 1. Okay, this number less than 1 contains of 3 and 4 and 6 and 5. You can write here 4 and 5 and 6. And the proximity to the nearest tenses, it will be 0.3 because 4 can't give 1. And the proximity to the nearest thousandth, it will be what? 6 give 1. Okay, so the result will be 0.34 and 6. Next question, letter B. Solve the equation. Number 1, 8.2 plus b equal 10.4. We can find the value of b by the difference between two numbers. 10.4 subtract by 8.2. We have here the median and subtrahend to find the difference between them. 4 minus 5, we can't do it, so we must put 1 from 10 will be 9 and 4 will be 14. 14 minus 5 will be 9 and 9 minus 8 will be 1. The result will be 1.9. Question letter B number 2. K subtract by 6.8 and 2 equals 3.11. We can find the value of k by 8 two numbers together, right? 6.8 and 2 plus 3.11. Then the value of k equal 1 plus 2, 3, 8 plus 1, 9, and 3 plus 6, 9. That was question number 2. It's the last question. Okay, my students, understood? Last question, page 36. We solve it now. 3 tests. You must study hard about all questions and pay attention the next time. I will give you a lot of examples in the future. Okay, goodbye.